Hello guys, welcome back to Dear Dev. So Chika, my friend, is planning a party and then she calls me. Oh, Olaide, see what's happening. The party is a mess. I don't even know what to do. I have a list of names and it looks as if the people I'm inviting are showing up more than once. Olaide, what am I going to do? I don't even know who is bringing what. I can't remember their phone numbers as to communicate with them, updating them on the party. And I'm like, Chika, baby, be calming down. We can solve this using Python. Let's dive in. Look at my guest list. I have Tunde, Choma, Hamed, Tunde, Blessing, Choma, Emeka, Tunde. Hello, why is Tunde there 3 times? Choma is showing up twice. To be certain that they're actually showing up more than once, let us welcome them. My code is in party.py, so I want to run it to see what happens. I see welcome Tunde, welcome Choma, welcome Tunde again. Now only you work out. The first thing we're going to do is to bring our superhero set to solve this problem. Python set is depicted with curly brackets. But when you want to create a new set, you say set and then you can start adding to it. But we want to solve Chika's problem. So let's solve that first. My guest list has duplicates. I want to trim it down so that only the unique values show up. So I just use set on that list. As soon as I use set on the list, it removes duplicates. Let's see how that works when we run our code. I want to sort the difference so that we can see what the duplicated ones look like and what the set ones look like. I see the top one that has duplicates, and then I see the ones under it, and then there is no duplicates, because set is like this very strict bouncer that says, hey, you have entered before, somebody has used this name before, you can't come a second time. Let's see another issue that Chika is going through. She says 2 lists of friends. She has friends from work, that's the work friends, and she has fun friends, like friends that they do jai together. So now she wants to know how to send invites based on the kind of friends. Our friends are in a set. They are within curly brackets. And the members are separated by commas. She wants to know, okay, I have all these friends in these 2 different lists. I want to send invite. How do I go about sending the invite? So let's look at the options that are available for Chika. Chika wants to know who our close friends are. So based on the 2 sets we have, the fun friends and the work friends, we want to determine who the close friends are. So we are going to be using intersection. That's one thing, like one of the things you can use in Python sets. Intersection is AND. So when you say fun friends and work friends, it gives us only the members that are in the 2 sets. So these members are in the fun friends and they're also in the work friends. So we are looking for people that are in the 2 groups. They exist in the first group and they exist in the second group. So that's the intersection. So when we print that, let us see those are Chika's close friends. Our close friends are Blessing and Hamed. I cannot believe that I am not part of them. But never mind, let's move on. We have 5 fun friends and 5 work friends. Chika is trying to find out that, okay, these my close friends, they are too few. I need a bubbling party. She wants to know if she combines the 2 groups together, how large will they be? In that scenario, we use union. If you want to find an intersection, we are talking about who exists in the 2 groups or 2 or more groups. And that's why we are using AND here. But when we are doing union, we use our pole. Union will merge the 2 groups together and give us the unique value from the 2 groups. So, looking up here, we have 2 groups of sets that have 5 members each. By the time we do union, you should be expecting 10, right? Union will merge them together and remove the duplicates. So let's print what that's going to give us when we say all guests and we use union of fun friends and work friends. When I run it, Python 3, it says close friends are still 2, Hamed and Blessing. Total unique guests are 8. So as I have told you, it merges the 2 and removes duplicates. That is why we have 8 instead of 10. Chika is also still weighing her options. She wants to know, okay, if I invite only people that are all about fun only, what will be the result? She wants to see the size of that group as well. So we are looking for the fun-only friends. Friends that show up in the fun friends but are not in the work friends. So that's why we use minus. Fun friends minus work friends gives us people that are only in the fun friend group. I don't know what Chika is trying to find out, but when she's done finding out, she'll finally plan a party, right? So when we print the fun only friends, we'll see that the people that show up are only the people that exist in the fun group but are not in the work group. So the people that are available just for gyrating are Emeka, Tunde, and Chioma. So sets allows you to check, oh, who is unique here, who is in the two groups, or who is in this group and not in that group, or what is the combo like. We can also add to our sets. She's working with our all guest list because that list looks more robust. But then somebody has confirmed their invitation, and that's Folake. So if you want to add to your existing set, what do? You set the variable name dot add. So we have added Folake to it. Then we now hear, hello, Kunle just confirmed. Okay, so that will be all guests dot add. All guests dot add Folake. By the time we print it, we would see that all these guests have been accommodated in our new sets. So let's run it and see. So that we know what we're actually printing out. We have the unique guests, and then we have also added Folake and Kunle. You see that? You can add more. Let me show you what happens when you keep adding more Kunles. We have added Kunle 3 times. It still took only one Kunle. That bounce, they agree. So basically, it only accommodates unique members. You cannot show up more than once. And Chika is also saying, how will I confirm if somebody has already accepted the invitation I sent? How will I confirm if somebody's going to come to my party? I have the list. The list is so long. It's too tedious for me to go through one by one. Okay, take it easy. What do? We just use in. Chika wants to confirm if Tunde is in all guests, our group. And then all she needs to do is, if Tunde in all guests, print. And then let's see if Tunde is in all guests. Tunde is coming. So you don't need to go through your list that has 1 million people to confirm whether one person is coming or not. Just use your in to check if the person is in your set, and then you find out. So when do you use your Python sets? When you want to remove duplicates. When you want to find common items between groups. When you want to check if a member is in a group, sets is there to the rescue. So when you want to create unique tags, unique hashtags, unique IDs, unique party members, use sets, my dear. And I saying, thank you for sorting it. But I still don't know what anybody is bringing to the party. I don't know whether anybody is allergic to anything. I don't even remember people's phone numbers. I say, hey, what do you mean by bringing anything? People are going to be bringing food to the party. I did not know. Thank God I was not invited. I thought it was those parties where you sashay in, you sit with your gele, you sit down, eat jollof rice, eat your life, stand up and go home. Now that I'm hearing that you have to bring food. Chika, calm down. We can solve that too. That's what Python Dictionary is for. So let us build data. Python Dictionary uses curly brackets. The difference between the curly brackets when it comes to sets and dictionary is that the dictionary have keys and values. So it's not just values separated by commas. No. For dictionary, keys and values. For sets, it's just values separated by commas. Dictionary, keys, values separated by commas. Let's look at it. So we have created some guest data based on what Chika has explained so far. This is his phone number, and then he's going to be bringing jollof. Then he does not have any dietary restriction. Then we have Chioma. She has her phone number. She's bringing small chops. Thank you, Chioma. Chioma is a vegetarian. We have people's data. What do we see here? We see that we have keys and values inside our guest dictionary. We have the key called Tunde. And guess what? The value is another dictionary. Chioma too is the key, is Chioma. Then the value is a dictionary. So each name so far has a dictionary. That's the beautiful thing with our dictionary. We are able to nest them. So you can put a dictionary inside a dictionary inside a dictionary. So now, inside the second dictionary, the values for the names, we now have phone, key, value, key, bring in, value, jollof, key, dietary, value, none, keys and values. Set is just value, no key. Based on this structure we have created, it is easy for Chioma to just find out Tunde's phone number. Just say guest square brackets, quote, Tunde number. If we just wanted to get the value of Tunde's data, all we needed to do was just say guest Tunde and we'll get Tunde's data. And when we print Tunde's data, we have phone, we have bring in, and then we have dietary. It's clumsy. What we need is phone number. So why are we showing the entire thing? So that is why you can just directly pick a key and get the value of the key. So when we say guest Tunde phone, we can get the phone. Chika can quickly call and find what she needs. So when you see our value, you see that we have gotten the phone number directly. I can find Tunde's phone number. How about if I want to know what somebody is bringing? It's the same thing. Calm down. What are you doing? Print the person. That is the key. And then you get the value. So we want to know what Chioma is bringing. We just say Chioma, bring in. And we have what we want. Chioma is bringing small chops. Chika is coming again and saying, there's a new guest. I want to add their data to the guest data I have. This is how we go about it. We want to add blessing. We have the phone number. We have bringing. We have directory. That's how you add it. Guest, square brackets, equal to. And we added what we wanted to add. Then Chika is saying she wants to confirm if blessing has been added to the dictionary. Okay, let's find out. Guest.keys. We have Tunde, Chioma, Hamed, and blessing. Blessing has been added. Chika has come again. Hey, Tunde said he's no longer bringing jollof rice. He said it's Fridays he wants to bring. How will I do that? How will I? Dictionary can handle that. Tunde bringing is now fried rice. That's it. You can change the values of your dictionary. Can't you see that dictionaries are way better than our Nigerian mothers? And say, Mommy, where is my key? You say it is where you left it. You will now search your 2 hours. You can't find that key. Mommy, please now. Then she goes in 2 seconds. She brings out the key. That's the dictionary for you. It just brings out the data from the storage for you without any hassle. So, let me know in the comment section what part of this building exercise you do not understand. Let us trash it together. The whole idea is we understand and move forward together. So, drop in the comment section below what you don't understand in this old tutorial that we have done. So guys, please like this video if it has helped you. If you have learned anything, like the video. Also, please share because there are other people that want to understand how to use Python dictionaries and how to use Python sets. Please let us share with them so that they can enjoy what we have learned so far. Also, subscribe so that you'll be alerted when other video series comes along. See you guys some other time. Bye-bye.